Assalamu alaikum. I Abdul Hasib with my fellow Mohammad Mansoor al Haq. Today we will be presenting an analysis of the S&P 500 index. This presentation explores its structure, sector dominance, and key performance insights along with trends in market capitalization and trading volumes. So let's dive in. So here is the question: what is S&P 500? The S&P 500 index comprises 500 leading US companies, emphasizing market capitalization. It was launched in 1957 by Standard and Poor's, widely regarded as a barometer of the US equities market. It reflects the performance of large cap stocks. While you can't directly invest in the S&P 500, you can invest in funds that track its performance. Now we have data methodology. For this analysis, we collected historical data for the S&P 500 index from 2016 to 2023, sourced from Yahoo Finance. This dataset includes essential metrics like open, high, low, close prices, adjusted close, market cap, and volume, providing a comprehensive view of market trends.
Information technology sector dominates the S&P 500 with over $4 trillion in market capitalization. We can see these numbers from the graph. This sector, along with others like communication services, has been a pivotal in driving growth. Meanwhile, other sectors, as we can see from the line graph, such as healthcare and financials, contribute steadily, and other sectors like utilities and real estate also reflects a major role within them. And through this graph, we could see that there's a bullish trend from through these 9 years. There's a sharp increase from the year 2020 to 2021. So what did we deduce from those graphs and charts is that information technology leads the market with a commanding 30.1% share of the market capitalization, underscoring its dominance in driving economic growth. Communication services contributes 14.2%, reflecting its critical role in the digital and communication revolution. Also, other sectors such as healthcare, financial plays pivotal role. We have also created the Power BI for the historical stock position of S&P 500. We could see the close prices for the 9 years of the S&P 500, and here we could see the sharp bearish trend that is because of the COVID-19. Other than this, we also have the volume for the year, quarter, and month for the performance of the S&P 500.
So why we select the IT sector? The IT sector accounts for 30.1% of the S&P 500 total market cap. It has driven growth through advancements in AI, cloud computing, and digital transformation. This dominance, paired with investor confidence, makes IT a focal point for analyzing market trends and at surpassing other sectors from 2016 to 2023. Market cap dominance of the top 10 IT companies and S&P 500. This slide showcases the dominance of Apple and Microsoft in the IT sector, collectively holding over 50% of its market cap. Nvidia has seen tremendous growth driven by the AI boom. Companies like Oracle and Salesforce also play substantial roles. These leaders significantly influence the S&P 500's overall performance. Here we can see from the pie chart, we have Nvidia over 25%.
So as discussed by Hasib, that we have selected the IT sector, and the reason behind it is its staggering percentage in the market. So we could see that in the graph that the companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon show significant patterns and volatility growth during these 9 years. Each company's trajectory reflects broader market dynamics and industry-specific trends. Furthermore, from those 10 companies, we selected 5 companies. Those are Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, and Alphabet. We selected them because of their performance in the market. As we can see from the graph and observe the fluctuation tied to market events and industry trends. Apple and Microsoft consistently led, with Nvidia showing notable growth and activity influenced by its rising market cap. So one of the major reasons for selecting the IT sector was its share in the total market. Like we can see from the graph that its volume is 34.64% and the total market. The other reason could be that its dividend that it is giving its partners or the shareholders, like the IBM in the 2022 has giving its shareholders $6.59, and we could also likewise we could also search for other companies like the Microsoft that in the so throughout these 9 years the dividend it is giving its shareholders has been increasing, as we could confirm it from the graph that these lines are increasing throughout the years.
Now to conclude, the S&P 500 reflects the depth of the US equity market. Its dominance emphasizes technology role in driving economic growth, while stable contributions from other sectors provide a diversified perspective. The performance of tech giants underscores innovation's value, offering key insights for investors. Information technology emerged as the leading sector, contributing over 30% of the total market capitalization. Communication serves and consumers discretionary followed, showcasing their roles in digital transformation and economic growth. Stable contributions from sectors like healthcare and financials indicate their reliability and consistent demand. So now, from our conclusion, we have concluded that if you want to invest in S&P 500, or, or if you are thinking to invest in S&P 500, the IT sector is one of the high sector in S&P 500, and here we have Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft. Those are the top companies, top performing companies of the IT sector and of the S&P 500. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. I Abdul Hasib with my fellow Mohammad Mansoor al Haq. Today we will be presenting an analysis of the S&P 500 index. This presentation explores its structure, sector dominance, and key performance insights, along with trends in market capitalization and trading volumes. So let's dive in. So here is the question: what is S&P 500? The S&P 500 index comprises 500 leading US companies, emphasizing market capitalization. It was launched in 1957 by Standard and Poor's, widely regarded as a barometer of the US equities market. It reflects the performance of large cap stocks. While you can't directly invest in the S&P 500, you can invest in funds that track its performance. Datameter